I arrived in San Miguel de Allende by bus from Querétaro, watching the landscape slowly change along the way. My first stop was a hostel. I had a good night's sleep once I figured out the hot water. The next morning, I went for a walk and stopped at a small cafe I remembered from previous visits. A cappuccino and fresh fruit, a perfect start to the day. Stopped staying in San Miguel de Allende longer than planned because of a cancelled dental appointment in Querétaro. I discovered small walking trails along the canal, peaceful places just outside the busy streets. And then I noticed the Canadian flag, and shortly after that, my first viewpoint. One of my favorite neighbourhoods in San Miguel de Allende was Colonia Guadalupe. Colourful murals, quiet streets, and a more local feel. From El Mirador, you get one of the best views over San Miguel de Allende. I took the back trail to Fabrica La Aurora, an old textile factory, now an art center filled with studios and galleries. evenings, the city comes alive around the main square. Markets became part of my daily routine. One morning, I didn't plan to go anywhere special, but somehow I ended up walking towards the botanical garden. It was hot, uphill, and I wasn't even sure where the entrance was. After asking for directions, I followed a narrow trail and finally made it.
Fancy toilet. So I paid my entrance fee to the park. It was 100 pesos, and I got a map. Oh, it got so hot walking up here because I came a back way. They're not blooming now, it's the wrong time. I'm a little bit too late for that. It's nice to see there is something in English. Yes, I really enjoy this. It's beautiful here.
Conservatory of Mexican Plants houses a wonderful selection of cacti and other plants.
The vegetation is just amazing. The chapel. An old sign. It's been a while. I was in a bamboo forest in Japan many years ago. Wow. I'm here on the canyon trail. Ooh. Not wearing my best shoes. Yeah, I wanted to.